So hi guys, how are you all doing? I hope you're doing well. So today we are going to make a simple vanilla cake using mawe tatu. No oven, just gas cooker. Yeah, so let's get to the video. With me here I have butter. That's butter, 245 grams. I have flour, 350 grams of flour. I have sugar. I have 4 eggs. I have essence or flavor, and I have my baking powder. So I'm going to start off by mixing my butter and the sugar. Once that is done, I'll now add my eggs and mix them. You can add them one at a time. Dry ingredients, 1.5 teaspoons. Now add my flour or our dry ingredients onto our wet ingredients and fold. You dust the pan with baking flour so that the cake doesn't stick on the sides or at the bottom. So we want to bake this on low to medium heat. And the reason as to why it's called mawe tatu is because you use 3 stones. That's the first sufuria or tin. Then you put your dough or butter and then cover that. And that is it.